In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a call to action section to your GoDaddy website builder site. We'll walk through the exact process so you can confidently place a clear, clickable call to action on your site and guide visitors to do what matters most, whether that's contacting you, booking, or buying. First, open your browser and head to the GoDaddy website. Log into your account and open your website builder dashboard. If you manage multiple sites, choose the one you want to work on so you're editing the correct project. From there, open your website editor by selecting the site and clicking Edit Site. This loads the visual editor where you'll make changes in real time. To add your call to action, navigate to the spot on the page where you want it to appear. Placement matters, so consider adding it near the top for visibility or in a section that naturally follows your content. Click the Add Section button, usually marked with a plus sign, exactly where you want the new block to go. From the list of section types, choose the call to action option or a similar layout. This template is designed to convert attention into clicks, typically offering a headline, a short description, and a prominent button. It gives you a solid foundation and saves you time on layout. By the way, if you're following along and haven't opened the editor yet, you'll find a link to GoDaddy Website Builder at the very top of the description, so you can jump in and try this yourself. Now, customize the content. Update the headline to state the benefit clearly. Keep it concise and action-oriented. Add a short description that supports the headline and sets expectations. Then edit the button label and link to match your goal. Options like Contact Us, Get a Quote, Book Now, or Buy Now work well. Paste the destination URL or choose an internal page. Style the section to match your brand. Adjust colors, fonts, spacing, and background. Make sure the button contrasts with the background so it stands out, and preview on mobile to confirm the text wraps nicely and the button is easy to tap. When you're happy with the result, click Save and then Publish to push the changes live. Visit your site as a visitor, scroll to the New section, and click the button to verify it goes to the right place. If you make tweaks, remember to publish again so updates appear publicly. That's how you can quickly add a call to action section on your GoDaddy website to boost engagement and conversions. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more practical walkthroughs, and thanks for watching.